Namaste children. So today we will discuss the next type of the asexual reproduction, that is regeneration. Now what is regeneration? Regeneration means the process of getting a full organism from its body part. It is known as regeneration. For example, in case of planaria or hydra, both of these organisms that are simple multicellular organisms. These are simple multicellular organisms. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the fragmentation process, and in the fragmentation process also the fragments, they form the new organism, means they form a complete organism. But what is the difference in between both regeneration and fragmentation? That in case of regeneration, accidentally, if suppose the body that is divided into the parts, then each part it forms a complete organism. But in case of the fragmentation, after maturation, the body it divides into the pieces, and each piece means each part that will develop into a complete organism. So that is the difference between the regeneration and the fragmentation. So let's discuss one example of planaria here. This is the planaria. Suppose accidentally what happened? Accidentally, this planaria it divides into parts, into the pieces. Then each part it will develop into a complete organism by the process of regeneration. By the process of regeneration. Okay, the process of developing the full organism from the pieces which formed because of the accidentally. So this is known as the regeneration power. Now next is that this process it is applicable only in case of the simple multicellular organisms, not in case of the complex multicellular organism, because in the complex organism there is a higher level of organization that is present. But in case of the simple multicellular organisms, the cells that are present in the cut part, and they can form the tissue and organs of the whole body part. But in case of the multicellular organism, the cells that are present in the cut part, they cannot form the higher level of the organization. So that is the reason. For example, in case of a dog, if suppose the tail that is cut, okay, so that or you can say a cut tail cannot form a complete dog, because the cells that are present in the tail, it is not able to form the tissues of the heart or the different organs. So that's why in case of the complex multicellular organism, regeneration it is not responsible for the formation of the complete organism from a small part. Now let's discuss this process regeneration in detail, that if suppose in a simple multicellular organism a cut part will be there, then how it regenerates. If suppose this portion that is cut and the cells that are present here, now these cells they will divide, and after division they make ball of cells. These cells after division they form the ball of cells. Now the cells which are present in the balls of cells, they will come to their specific position for the formation of the tissue and organs. So next is they come to their cells come to their specific positions. Then after that what happen? Then when the cells, they will come to their position, like suppose the cells which are present here but their position is there, so they will come here, and in this manner they form the tissues and the organs. Means first of all, the cells which are present in the cut part, okay, they will multiply, they divide to form the ball of cells. Then later on they come onto their position, means specific position, and then after that they specialized to form tissues and organs. And when the tissues and organs that are formed, then that part of the body will also develop. So in this manner the regeneration, it occurs.